Today we'll be doing on prana walks. Do you know the meaning of prana? Prana means life. So the complete your intestines of all the intestines nerves are connected to your feet. Do you understand it? The whole body, that is your eyes, your throat, ears, tongue, your taste bud, your liver, stomach, pancreas, intestines, everything is connected to your under your feet. So today we'll be practicing on prana walks. First we will sit, we'll calm our mind for 2 minutes. Keep your spine straight. We'll sit in Vajrasana. Have taught you all how to do Vajrasana. One more time I'll show you all how to practice on Vajrasana. First, straight your legs. Fold on your right knees. Then on your left knees. This is known as Vajrasana. Diamond posture. It is equal to a diamond. So always we'll sit in Vajrasana. Chin mudra on your lap. A gentle smile on your face. Observe your breathing. Do nothing, only observe your breathing. You will not create any thoughts. You will not follow any thoughts, nor you will stop any thoughts. Completely only observe your breathing. See how your breathings are. You have not noticed your breathing at all. You have no time. This is the time to observe your breathing. Have a gentle smile and observe. Always maintain a gentle smile on your face. Now slowly come back. Make a right hand fist. That is your thumb touching under your ring finger. Hold it back. Back side you will hold it back. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Put your head down. Touch the ground. Feel the blood flow through your head region. Inhale, take pure positive energy. Come up, rub your palms. Make in cup shape, keep on eyes, few blinks in the darkness. Look down. As I told you all, today we'll be doing on prana walks. And release on Vajrasana also. First you will release on your right leg and on your left leg. Okay, come on. She'll get up. We'll walk on the toes now first. Inhale up. You will keep your hands like this. Not this. This is wrong. You will hold it on any side of your hands. You will stretch nicely up and you will walk on your toes, front and back. So when you are walking, you will not fold on your knees. Completely straight and don't look down. Look here. Go back. Stretch nicely up. Pull your stomach inwards. Have normal breathing. Slowly walk forward. Look front. Walk. Stretch nicely and walk. This we call it as prana walks. Again go back. Stretch nicely. Go back. Look forward. Pull your stomach inwards. Only walk on your toes and you will not bend your knees. Look front. Keep walking. Keep walking. Come front. Walk back again. Walk. See, I am not bending on my knees. Completely straight. Walk. Those days they used to tell to walk on the floor without your footwears. Because you used to get massage effect on your feet. Now everywhere we have massage, no stone, no nothing. So we are completely walking on soft, plain. So we are not getting much pressure point to our body. So we are doing pressure here. Yes, now you will walk on your heel. Look here. Look front. Yes, yes. Keep walking on your heel. Don't bend on your knees. Walk back. Look front. Keep walking. Stretch your, you'll be having pain on your shoulders. It's okay. Keep walking. Just only 3 walks. Walk forward. Again go back. One more time. Walk forward. Press nicely and walk forward. Again go back. Beautiful walks. This will have the pressure on your feet completely. Yes, now hands down. Relax on your shoulders. Okay. Now we'll be touching our hands back. See that we have pressure point, our spinal is here. So you will touch your toes, your thumbs here and your toes pressing. You can see, right? Look front. Press your toes and look forward and walk. Fold on your toes. Let your thumbs touch back. Look front. Keep walking. Look front. Press nicely and walk. Again walk forward. Press your toes nicely. Let your hand be back. Press little pain. Let it pain. Keep walking. Walk forward again. 3 times front and back. Again walk back. Walk back. Yes. Now what you do is relax. Now completely to your sidewards. Legs to your sidewards. Okay. Walk forward. Look here how my legs are crossed, completely crossed. This. Yes. Keep walking. Keep walking, keep walking. See what's on your legs. Walk back. Again walk forward. Yes. Now opposite to this is completely on this side. So when you are walking on this side, see that your knees are touched back. Then only you can walk on this. Put nice pressure all the sides. Keep walking. You will have pain. It's okay, but keep walking. Look front. Don't look down. Look front. As I said earlier, pressure point to complete whole body. Improve your right sides. Just keep walking. So when we walk on the mud, sand or whatever, you will feel all these pressures. Now we are not able to walk because there is no sand at all. Yes. Now stand straight, hands back, Now observe the feet, all the four sides of your feet. You can feel the blood circulation on your leg. Feel the difference? Namaste.